Hi, welcome to Litehawk. Today we're just going to talk a little about the Litehawk TRAKHAWK and a few different maintenance things. And we actually pulled this one out. It's a very well-loved version. We pulled it of actually a return. And we wanted to use this video today to show you a few different things about your Litehawk. Number one, because this is a tracked vehicle, okay, we want to make sure that our track and our bogie wheels, and especially the drive wheel here, is free of debris and free of and it can move easily. So to take the track off, you just have to push up and that will get you slack. And we do recommend, now we have our track off, you can use a soft bristle brush, just take any debris out of here. Also you can check and make sure that there's no rips or tears in the track, because that will lead to kind of odd driving characteristics. If you start taking a few nubs off the track, it's going to slip on one side versus the other. So you can also in here make sure that the spring mechanisms are working correctly, okay, and again that these are all rotating properly. Now for parts and things like that, sometimes we will have people that will have one of the shock absorbers that may break or something. There you can always contact us at service at Litehawk and we can always get you back up and running. So in this video here, just wanted to show you how to remove the track and how to check to make sure you have no debris. As you can imagine, especially the rear drive is the drive on the tank is from the rear. So if you've got something in these cogs here, that's going to greatly hamper the driving dynamic of it. So this is an off-road vehicle, it's an outdoor toy, so you should be out in the sand and in the mud and in grass and different surfaces. So that's great and it's awesome. It just sometimes takes a little maintenance just to keep it up and running. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this informative, and get outside and have some fun with your toys.